What's up, everybody? My name is Kapisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be making baked ziti, which is an Italian dish that is creamy and delicious. This is also a special request from my teacher for Thanksgiving. It's an amazing cheesy entree I cannot wait to eat. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Step 1 is to make the roux. And to make the roux, what we're going to add, we're going to heat up a pan. This on medium flame. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Now, after the butter melts, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The butter has melted, and now we're going to add our 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to mix this up. We're going to keep mixing this until it is light golden brown. This has turned lightly golden brown, so now I'm going to add 1 cup of hot milk to it. We're going to keep on mixing this until it is boiling and it kind of thickens. As you see, this has turned thicker and almost like a gravy consistency. To the roux, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, a couple of grounds of black pepper, and salt as per taste. Now we're going to mix this up. Here I have boiled 2 cups of pasta until it is al dente, and we're going to mix it in with our roux. We're now going to add a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese and mix this up. Pour this pasta into a baking dish. On top of this, we're going to sprinkle some mozzarella. Here I have some seasoned breadcrumbs, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the top. The oven is at 400 Fahrenheit, and now we're going to add our pasta. We're going to bake this for 20 to 30 minutes until it is golden brown. This is what it looks like after it is out of the oven. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. The Parmesan gives it a nice saltiness. The mozzarella gives it a nice cheesiness. The breadcrumbs give a nice crispiness at the top. It has just the right amount of spiciness with the crushed pepper and black pepper. It's really good, so you guys should try this at home. And just as a little comparison, I'm going to show you guys the cheese pull. So there you have it, a scrumptious dish of baked ziti. This is amazing for a Thanksgiving entree with your friends and family, so I encourage all of you guys to try it out. You could always eat the pasta as it is before baking, but baking really increases the intensity of the flavor and adds some nice crispiness. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you know when I post another video. Also comment any dishes you guys want me to make. See you next time.